We're fishing what is arguably our favorite river. We're gonna fish the Golden Mile. Now I'm gonna do another Trout Journal. I have some friends with me today. Got my friend Levi here. Levi Glines, he does photography stuff. He's kind of my hero. And then Corey. You guys have seen Corey. Sasquatch? I think he just called himself Sasquatch. You guys should come up with a nickname for Corey. Okay, so I wasn't gonna include this in the Trout Journal, but then I realized that it's a Trout Journal. And so we're having to run upriver to get to where we want to get so that we can get pictures. And when normally we should be fishing this. So I'm gonna start moving again. Levi is like going crazy right now because this lighting.
Lighting's great.
The lighting right here is really cool. So now you're gonna get to see us just rip. And we're gonna get way upstream. And maybe we don't catch any fish, but maybe I just show you some cool pictures. And, well, no, we have to get fish. Corey, you gotta get fish. I'm gonna film, Levi's gonna, yeah. So, we're gonna get upstream just a little bit, and then you're gonna see what we got going on. I love the opportunity to film with these guys, especially Levi. Like, he's helped me out a ton. And like the photography and videography stuff, like I've been so new to it, and I really like filming these adventures. And so when I get the chance to come out with a guy that his stills are amazing, like you guys are gonna have to check his stuff out. I'm gonna link his Instagram if we do this, but he's been so helpful. Like I call him and ask him camera questions all the time. And I think that some guys would get tired of that.
It's a great fish.
But he hasn't, and he's just been really helpful. So that was great, man.
Right in the middle, or was the other one that was right?
No, that was right in the middle where I always get one to take. The last couple times we were there. Here.
Come on in, Levi. The mud's fine.
What do they say? Embrace the suck.
Yeah, embrace the suck, embrace the muck. We're gonna try to pop out somewhere over here. It's kind of fun. Ow, there's nettles right there, man. Be careful. Walk through a few more braids here. And then we're gonna post up and we're gonna try to catch some fish for Levi. We have large fish feeding right here. Corey's up to bat. I believe in you. Yes,
Yeah.
got him.
Yeah. Spotlight on or no?
nice fish. It's a nice fish. Oh man. Yes.
Beautiful fish.
So that was a really big fish. That was awesome. I was kind of playing around with the camera, and Levi was going to town, and unfortunately, when we got done, we were looking at our footage, and so Levi was like, I hate myself. I said, why? He goes, oh man, some of this was like blown out. And so now we're like, Corey, you need to step up and you need to catch another fish. So we're waiting for him to do that right now.
Right there.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Farther away.
Oh yeah.
One stick.
Whenever he swims, he's going.
Yeah?
That's much better.
Oh, that's great, guys. Oh man, that's a really good way to close out a little deal on the Trout Journal there, huh? Yeah, dude, banger. Yeah, dude. Levi's like, look at this, dude. Maybe I'll show you guys that one when we finish the video, that edit. Was that cool, Levi? That was cool, man.
For sure.
Yeah, all right. Well, now what we got to do is we got to hike out of here without the guy that owns this property shooting us. We've already heard a couple gunshots in the last few days. What?
I looked up and your tip of your fly rod was under the brim of my hat.
Oh,